Hi friends, it's Maya coming to you with another video, and this video, guys, will answer your questions. What do I do with leftover turkey from Christmas dinner? I hope you guys haven't used up or throw out leftovers turkey, because you can do many things with this. This is a piece of turkey that was left over from our Christmas dinner. It's mainly bone. There's still some stuffing inside. I'm going to take out the stuffing, and I'm going to use the pieces of meat, the bones, and make a wonderful soup. I'm also going to be using some leftover ham for flavoring. This is just a ham bone. I froze it, so I'm just going to use it up also in my soup. So this is a good idea to use up all the leftover turkey. It's an easy meal, very quick, and it's going to be yummy. Okay, so let's get started. And I'm going to remove the stuffing from the turkey. Okay, this is what's left of the turkey. So I'm going to break the bone apart, and I'm just going to add it into my pot of hot water. A frozen ham, guys. This ham is the smoked ham. It's already cooked. This is just the bone. I'm also going to put this in the pot, and I'm going to show you what's going to be happening next. Okay, my friends, there is the turkey, the ham, just in our wok. I'm just going to show you the other ingredients that I'm going to be putting in. So there it goes. Remember, the turkey was already cooked. This is leftover turkey, leftover ham, and we're just going to make a nice soup with the leftover. Okay, so don't throw away your leftover. Keep them in the freezer bag. Put them in the freezer. They make nice broth for soup. Okay, my friends, we're back. We're going to put in some sweet potato in this soup. We're also going to put some carrots. We're going to put some onion, green onion, quite a few cloves of garlic. So I'm going to be using 4 cloves of garlic into this soup. It's going to be beautiful. And I'm also going to use some squash. Okay, so I've placed all my vegetables in. I've placed all my vegetables in the wok. Remember, the wok, we're making soup, and the wok contain the bone of the ham, a piece of ham, and also the leftover turkey. Right, so all of that wonderful vegetables are in the pot now. I'm just going to add a few more stuff, and I'm going to leave this to boil for about half an hour. Okay, my friends, everything is in the pot. The turkey, the ham, the squash, I add some dumplings, some yams, and so everything is ready to boil. I put it on high. I'm going to leave this for about half an hour, and then I'm going to come back and do the final and plate it. Okay, my friends, the soup has been boiling for about half an hour now, and it looks like it's good to go. I'm just going to put in the the final stage of the soup to make it nice and yummy, and I'm going to use some pumpkin beef soup mix and finish it off, right? So don't forget to put the pumpkin mix into a bowl first, and then add the hot water to it. If you put it directly, it has a tendency to clump a little bit, and we don't want that, right? So I usually mix it out a bit and then add it in. This looks good. Awesome. We're going to get this boil for another 5 minutes. Then we're going to come back, plate the soup, and you're going to see how yummy this looks. So I'm just going to stir up this a little bit, and I'm going to remove the bone, the turkey bone. I'm going to cut off any additional meat that's on it and add it back to the pot. So I'm just moving the bone. Okay, my friends, I just turned off the stove. It's been boiling for about 5 minutes since I put the mix in. I'm just going to plate this now, and we'll take a taste. Okay. Okay, my friends, here it is. We're back, plated. This is what you do with leftover turkey from Christmas or the coming New Year. What you do is make a nice soup. As you can see, the soup is all ready. I also have leftover ham pieces in it, and some squash. I made some dumpling, sweet potatoes, some carrots, of course, and a piece of yellow yam. And there are the pieces of turkey, and also some ham pieces in it. So there it is. This is what you do with leftover soup. This is what you do with leftover turkey and ham from the Christmas dinner. Thank you for watching, and don't forget, not everybody that wanders is lost, and always strive for something better. Thank you for watching. See you again.